Okay, so in this video it's time for another great feature in Crosspoint for the XTEINK X4 Pro. And this time I will show you how you can use a dictionary. A very welcome feature now available for the X4 Pro. So let's go to my table cam. So here we have my XTEINK X4 Pro attached to my Bigme Highbreak Pro collar, my main phone at the moment. So here we have X4 Pro open in a book, and check this out. I will show you how you will do this later on, but check this out. If I want to have a dictionary here now, I just long press on this button and then I can click on a word like fluttered, and here we get, as you see, an explanation of that word in a dictionary. Isn't that awesome? So now if I want to click on that word instead, we can see that word, as you see. Brilliant, as you see. And to get back from the dictionary mode, you just do that. And how I've done this then? Well, in the settings of your X4 Pro with Crosspoint on, the latest version of Crosspoint, we go into settings and we go into reader mode here. Here we see dictionary. Here I have all the dictionaries I have added to a folder called Dictionaries on the SD card. So if you put dictionaries in a folder on the XD card on this XTEINK device, then they show up in this list. So every dictionary should have its own folder in the folder Dictionaries. And then you see them here. You can choose any dictionary. I would like to have it like on KOReader, for example, that the XTEINK jumps to the next dictionary if it can't find a specific word. That would have been better. Now it just say not found. But here we have the dictionaries I have on the SD card, and here I can choose one dictionary at a time. And you can use KOReader's dictionaries, you can download dictionaries in StarDict format, you can find dictionaries on Crossing's webpage called Inky, and you can download them and they work here. So that is how you set this up. And in the control menu I have put the long press menu. The menu button is this touch button on the front. So I have put the dictionary as that option. You can use KOReader sync, bookmark or reader menu, but I have dictionary set there. So when I open the book and start reading, I can use dictionary. So what I mean with that, I wish they could jump to the next dictionary if they don't find a specific word, is that if I now want to have the dictionary feature on this word, nearest, this dictionary can't find that. But the other dictionaries, some of them can find that word. So I would love to have it like KOReader works with dictionaries, all these StarDict dictionaries, that it jumps to the next, to the next, to the next to find a specific word if it doesn't exist in one dictionary. So hopefully the developers are watching this video so they can add that feature. So I can show you if you want how to add the dictionaries, but I think that will be in another video. You just remove your SD card, turn the device off like this, so you have the cover of the book, and then you just remove the SD card, and then you use the USB adapter that comes with your XTEINK device and put that SD card in here, and then you set this in a computer or in some phones. If you can have a USB-C adapter, you can even use a phone to transfer files. So put this in a computer with SD card in, and then just drag and drop all your dictionaries that you want to use in a folder on this drive called Dictionaries. It's so easy to do that. And every dictionary folder should have the name of the dictionary. So for example, Oxford, Cambridge, Victionary. If you have folders with that names in the dictionary folder, then just take out this SD card again and plug that into your XTEINK X4 Pro, and it will work. And by the way, it works also on the X4 and the X3 the same way, with the latest Crosspoint or the latest XTEINK. Just add your dictionaries in a folder called Dictionaries, and they work at the exact same way. The only difference is that these are, you have to use buttons instead of touch with these two. This you can use the touch display instead. Okay, I think that's it for this video. I hope you learned something by watching this video. Okay, bye.